Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will discover the proper pronunciation of the word legendary. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Michael Jordan is considered a legendary basketball player for his 6 championship wins with the Chicago Bulls. Legendary describes something or someone who is well known, admired, and often talked about due to remarkable achievements, skills, or qualities. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.